If Bluetooth isn't working on your device or it's not showing up in your taskbar, then you would want to go into settings and go to Bluetooth and devices and check if it's even on or not. And then you would scroll all the way down and go to more Bluetooth settings, and then make sure show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area is checked. And then you want to go in your search bar and type in device manager and just look for Bluetooth and see if it's even there or not. If it's not there, then you want to download Bluetooth by going on Intel's website and just downloading the latest version for Windows 10 and 11. And if you don't have a Bluetooth adapter in your computer, then you would just buy a Bluetooth adapter on Amazon. Thanks for watching.